Hey, what is up, you guys? My name is Taylor and today we are filming a video, and in today's video I'm super excited. I wanted to film a video like this for a long time. I just didn't know if people would actually want to fucking watch it. But yeah, so today I'm going crystal shopping with my best friend Julia Slay, my crystal bestie. But yeah, we're gonna go to the witch store, we're gonna go to the crystal store, and I'm just gonna show you a couple things I do along the way. Sorry, the camera keeps moving, it's like insane. Alright, so I want to show you the OOTD. I have this rock necklace my friend made me, Natalie, well, one of my best friends. I have two here I like to keep hidden. I just keep my pentacle hidden and my crystal cage, which has peach selenite in it currently. I just feel better. I don't know. I kind of like to keep it closer to me, like skin-wise. I have this Hello Kitty little jumper from Walmart. These pants are from Walmart, and my shoes are just some Adidas. So, yeah. Hi, I'm here with Julia now.
Hello.
We just went to our first witch shop. Julia didn't get anything. But yeah, I got a few herbs and stuff. I got some basil. Taylor.
There's so much of a glare today.
I know. I know you could get basil at the store, but every time I go to get basil at the store, I can't fucking find it. And I have some chamomile, because I needed that too. I have some eggshell powder. I don't have the time to make it myself currently. I got hibiscus. There's so much of a glare. And I got mugwort, because I never see it. So yeah, we might find another crystal store. Hopefully they're open. But a lot of them close super early, and I don't blame them. Oh wow, this is really awkward. This is so many times later. I didn't film the rest of that day. One, because I got sexually harassed at the Red Robin, and two, I probably literally forgot. Yeah, we went to a few other places that day, obviously, and I'm gonna show you what we got now. I'm gonna show you like a few things I got the rest of that day and like a little bit after. Oh, so crystals wise, I got a smoky quartz. Super cute, because I was reading up and I think I've been trying that and it's been working super well actually. I got another clear quartz because you can never have enough. And I got a black onyx. I have a blue one, I forget what it is off the top of my head, but I got it to like for creativity, focus. And I also got these silver crystal holders. It's just like, they're too small. Most of my crystals are really big, so they can't fit in here. So I have to get a new one and a new chain because my chain fucking broke. Another thing though that I got that day is I went to a store
and I got a restock of my frankincense incense because this is my favorite smell of them, and I also just like the cleansing properties of it. Another thing I got it actually a few weeks after. I got this super cute mushroom. I got it from the Renaissance Fair for free from a little fairy, and amazing because I was also a little fairy. Super cute. Thank you, and I cherish this and will never light this because I love it too much. I am hopping all around, restocked on my gold and silver candles because I use them a lot since I've had my money bowl, and I use them a lot during candle magic. Guys, neuro spicy brains, this will be your saving grace. I had a friend tell me about this because I couldn't wait for those super big candles to like melt, and I like to get it done in one setting and feel like relieved. The candles work just as well. Also that day, we went to the thrift store and I got this super cutie patootie glass jar for moon water and everything, and I did already use it, but I have to re-clean it. But yeah, it's so cute. Look at all the detailing. Ooh. I also got this candle holder, so when I do like my bigger candles, when I want to, when I'm like doing spell work and stuff, it securely fits in there and it has a good weight to it. So yippee! That's like kind of recently and I love it, and though it's not, I haven't used it in like spell work, I think it's super cute. Look at this little, I hope it comes up, it kind of comes up a different color. It's very lavender. I have this lavender little cauldron. I got it in the Target dollar spot for $5. I can just put like anything in here and I like that, but I just think it's super cute. Like, I love any witch like basically decor. As you can fucking tell, my altar will be covered in decor and I have a little thing there. Room tour will come soon. The next days, I went back to Mandy's Magic because I realized I forgot to pick up pine needles. I needed them for my money bowl. And I also picked up, I have it, where did it go? Hello, losing it. Okay, I can't find an empty one, but I picked up these spray bottles and it allows me to like cleanse and spray. And it smells super good. I put coffee in mine, so it kind of smells like coffee. It smells like lavender. It's like basically like a bad vibes be gone spray. One of the final things I ordered was, I ordered it on Amazon. I think it's in my Amazon storefront. I'll link that for like all my witch supplies, my Amazon storefront. It's a 12-pack of these dropper bottles. Let me show you. Let me see if I can grab it. So here's a bunch of my dropper bottles. They all have essential oils in it. I love essential oils. I do it because I make little like, I put it with oil, I put it on my skin, I do the little essential oil diffuser, so like I'll do like a study time one or something like that. It's just like little witchcraft that like helps me throughout the day. So I love those dropper bottles because one, they came with a syringe, but more importantly, they came with these like little metal things. And it works perfectly with my little spell jars because I can stick this in and all of the powder goes in there. Not as much of a mess as before, thank God. So yeah, this was a perfect set to order. And it also came with labels, so I labeled all of them so I remember which one it is so I don't have to go off of smell. Thank you guys so much. I'm so sorry that you had to wait like for freaking ever for this video. I promised it like how long ago? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want to see any more like crystal stuff. If this was like your cup of tea, and if you like alternative fashion and like school vlogs, my channel is for you. I have so many freaking videos on it. Alright, but I love you guys so much, and goodbye.